Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today, I'll be talking about the quality distribution of goods and services, a crucial topic that shapes how we interact with markets and make decisions as consumers. So, let's dive in. Quality distribution refers to the range of quality levels available in goods and services within a market. It's a key factor that influences consumer choices, market competition, and pricing strategies. Understanding this concept can help us navigate markets more effectively. Factors influencing quality distribution. There are several factors that shape the quality distribution of products and services. Number one, consumer preferences. What buyers demand drives quality. Number two, cost of production. Higher quality goods often require more resources. Number three, technological advancements. Innovations make better products possible. Number four, regulation and standardization. Policies set the baseline for quality. Categories of goods and services. Goods and services can be categorized as durable goods, non-durable goods, and services. Durable goods are long-lasting products like cars, furniture, and appliances. Non-durable goods are short-term consumables like food, drinks, and toiletries. Services are intangible offerings like healthcare, education, and entertainment. So let's look at a case study. Electronic market. Let's take the smartphone market as an example. It spans a wide range from budget phones to flagship models. Quality differences are evident in performance, durability, and features, reflecting consumers' demands and spending power. Service quality distribution. It is service industries also exhibit quality distribution. Take healthcare for example. Public hospital may offer basic services. Private clinics often provide advanced facilities and specialized care. This variation depends on accessibility and cost. Determinants of quality. What determines the quality of a product or service? There's production cost. Investing more typically yields higher quality. Number two, brand reputation. Trusted brands uphold quality to maintain their reputation. Number three, innovation. Advanced technology improves quality over time. Role of market segmentation. Market segmentation is an economic strategy that involves dividing a market into smaller groups based on shared characteristics such as needs, behavior, and demographics. For instance, airline offer economy and premium options to cater diverse preferences and budgets. Quality and price correlation. In economics, the relationship between price and quality can be complex and depends on a number of factors. One, price as indicator of quality. Customers often assume that higher prices indicate higher quality. However, price may not be the most important factor when other quality cues are available, such as brand name or store image. Consumer choice. The correlation between price and quality can affect the consumer's choice. For example, in a high correlation context, consumers may choose the higher price or higher quality product. Next, reference price formation. The price for quality correlation affects reference price formation but not reference quality formation. Outside influences. Outside influences such as inflation, a recession, or COVID-19 pandemic can change how consumers perceive value. Other factors. Other factors that can affect the price-quality relationship include the availability of other quality cues, price variation with the product class, and the level of consumer awareness about the price. Quality assurance and regulation. Quality assurance or QA is a systematic process for ensuring that products and services meet customers' expectations. It is used in both manufacturing and services industry. Quality assurance includes monitoring and evaluating various aspects of projects, service, and or facility, regulating the quality of raw materials, assemblies, products, and components, regulating services related to production, management, and inspection processes, and last, establishing and maintaining set requirements for developing or manufacturing reliable products. Quality in global trade. Quality is a factor in global trade and economics in several ways, including first, income and quality. During economic crisis, households tend to reduce the quality of goods they buy, which can lead to a larger contraction in imports of higher quality goods. This is because higher quality goods are more income elastic than lower quality goods. Second, trading partners. Countries tend to trade more with countries that are similarly developed and produce similar quality products. This is because high human capital countries have a comparative advantage in producing high quality goods, and they are also rich enough to want to consume them. Next is income distribution. Countries that export goods to higher income markets tend to direct higher quality goods to those markets. This is because wealthier households typically consume higher quality goods. Next is trade liberalization. Policies that make an economy open to trade and invest can promote sustained economic growth. Trade liberalization can benefit poorer households in wealthy countries and richer households in poor countries. So, in conclusion, quality distribution shapes market dynamics and influences consumer satisfaction. As consumers, understanding these variations can help us make better decisions. Thank you for your attention and remember to consider quality when making your next purchase.